What is the national bird of India? Yes, the correct answer is the Indian peacock. What is the national bird of United States of America? Yes, the correct answer is the bald eagle. What is the national bird of Singapore? Yes, the correct answer is crimson sunbird. What is the national bird of Norway? Yes, the correct answer is white-throated dipper. What is the national bird of New Zealand? Yes, the correct answer is kiwi. What is the national bird of Namibia? Yes, the correct answer is African fish eagle. What is the national bird of Czech Republic? Yes, the correct answer is common kingfisher. What is the national bird of Belgium? Yes, the correct answer is common kestrel. What is the national bird of Albania? Yes, the correct answer is golden eagle. What is the national bird of Chile? Yes, the correct answer is Andean condor. If you want the remaining video links, do check it out in description, and if you want know about more national birds, then I will keep the link about it in description.